Hi, I'm Adriene with Premier Trailer Leasing, and this Maintenance Minute starts now. As time goes by, aging trailers can present a unique set of challenges. In this Maintenance Minute, we'll explore the maintenance requirements of trailers at various ages and discuss the importance of understanding when it's time to upgrade. At Premier, we differentiate between new, cartage, and storage trailers. Each serves their own purpose. While brand new trailers are great to haul long distances, cartage trailers may be the perfect fit for regional hauls. But here's where the preference for newer trailers comes in. Many shippers favor newer models for several compelling reasons. First and foremost, reliability. Newer trailers are built with the latest technology and materials, which means they are less likely to experience unexpected breakdowns or maintenance issues. Shippers value the peace of mind that comes with knowing their cargo will reach its destination on time without any hiccups. High mileage is another key factor. Newer trailers are often designed to withstand rigorous road conditions, allowing them to accumulate high mileage before major repairs are required. Shippers appreciate the cost efficiency and longevity that newer over-the-road trailers provide. Additionally, there's the customer perception. Shippers want to provide the best equipment possible to meet their customer needs. Newer trailers not only reflect a commitment to quality, but also enhance the image of reliability and professionalism in the eyes of customers. But even though newer trailers are favored for these reasons, it's important to remember that older trailers can still have their place in your fleet. They may be suitable for specific roles, such as shorter or storage routes. As trailers age, so does the cost of maintenance. That's why it's crucial to regularly review your fleet makeup and assess whether upgrading to newer models aligns with your business goals and customer expectations. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade your fleet depends on many factors. If you need guidance in making that decision, or if you're considering the benefits of newer trailers, we're here to help. Whether it's reliability, high mileage, or customer perception, Premier Trailer Leasing is your partner in ensuring your fleet meets your customer needs efficiently and effectively. And that's all for this Maintenance Minute. Don't forget, if you have any questions, just reach out. We're always here to help.